Grids and guides are very important when you want to align the layers very precisely. Both are reference lines and used for the same purpose. Grid is like a graph paper with distributed lines with equal spacing vertically and horizontally. The shortcut to show or hide the grids is Ctrl plus single quote or go to View, Show Grid. You can change the distance between grids and subdivisions according to your requirements. Go to Edit, Preferences, Guides, Grids and Slices. You can change the color and grid type here. Also, you can set the distance between two grid lines with specified unit and how many subdivisions you want. Press OK for now. Grid lines are uniformly set with equal distance. So between two grid lines, we cannot create a new grid line. For that, we have guides. To create a new guide, go to View, New Guide. You can specifically select the horizontal or vertical guide at the specified position. We can also create guides by visual judgment. For that, we need to show the ruler first. Go to View, Rulers. Now for creating a vertical guideline, you need to click on the vertical ruler at the left and drag the mouse. You can create guidelines wherever you need in the document. For creating horizontal guidelines, you need to do the same thing from the top ruler. Now, creating many guides with specified distances will take too much of time. We also can create a guide layout. Go to View, New Guide Layout. Here you can specify the number of sections, in between spaces and the surrounding margin as well. You can load a preset from the top drop down as well. Another quick way to create guides around the shapes is to create new guides from shape. Hide the grid so that you can see the guides clearly. The shortcut to hide and show the guides is Ctrl plus semicolon. To change the guide color, go to Edit, Preferences, Guides, Grids and Slices again. The guides we create here are canvas guides. So we can change the color of guides from the canvas drop down as well as the guideline style. You also can change the Smart Guides color from here. Press OK. Lock Guides option from the View menu will lock the guides and you will not be able to move it. Unlock the guides to move the guides. Clear the canvas guides will delete all the guides that we have created here, whereas clear guides will delete all the guides from the document. You can use the grids or guides or both together to align the layers the way you want. What is the difference between the grid and guides? Grids are predefined reference lines like a graph paper with all lines distributed with equal distance, whereas guides are customly created reference lines that we can set anywhere in the document.